Disputed Zimbabwe President Emmerson Mnangagwa is now on overdrive, trying hard to buy the support of every Zimbabwean to help him and his unpopular ZANU PF cling on to power. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The latest popular Zimbabwean to be approached by Mnangagwa is Chimurenga music maestro Thomas Mafumo, who he offered a house worth $300,000 and a brand new car worth $200,000. All the popular musician needed to do was to apologize to ZANU PF for all these years he has sided with the suffering masses and giving a strong voice against ZANU PF corruption and looting that has left hospitals without essential medical supplies. The Chimurenga music guru rejected the offer. He asks a question: what do I do with the house and the car when my people are suffering? The people of Zimbabwe need hospitals and medical supplies, clean water, electricity, etc. There's a lot that my people don't have. Where are they getting the funds? They are looting, aren't they? This is today's news about ZANU PF weaponizing poverty in Zimbabwe in order to stay up. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.